Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Die. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Dies Shorts. And oh my gosh, I have missed you all so much. I'm still recuperating from my elbow surgery. I just got back from my post-op appointment. So the doctor took I had like a soft cast on. So he took that off, they did some x-rays, and then he wrapped it up and it's in the sling. But so before I get blabbing all about that, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So usually I come to you Monday, Tuesdays, and Fridays in a quick little video on Saturday. But I have been missing for a while. I fell and broke my elbow radial bone, and they had to replace it. So they put a metal something in there because he said he's done it before where they just like put a bunch of pins and put the bones together, and he says, and then the person couldn't use the elbow properly because, you know, of the way the bones healed. So they just cleaned all that out and put a new metal thing in there. So that's what's going on. So I still have a sling on, but like I said, he unwrapped it, but it's still kind of like floppy and weak. And so I'm supposed to keep it in the sling when I'm not exercising it. So I have to, he's like practice, I have to do this, not with this hand, obviously this one's good, but I have to like practice the light bulb, you know, putting a light bulb, and then up and down, and you know, I just need to start moving it. But I mean, it definitely didn't hurt as much as when I broke it, because that was horrible, but it's still pretty ouchy to move it still. So but yeah, I did want to pop in and let you know how that's going. I'm so excited that I can go to On Stage in Houston. That had me worried. I have my $1 million walk, and that's not going to ever happen again. So I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not going to be able to do that. But he said, yeah, because we're driving. Like if I was flying, I don't think so, right? Because of blood clots or something. I don't know. But anyways, but we're driving, and so we just have to do a little bit of rearranging hotels on the way back home, so that we get back in time for my stitch removal, and then we'll have to schedule physical therapy and all that good stuff. But I did want to come in because even though I can't do anything, Jeff and I have been slowly cutting my February class. He's been so good about it. So I can only do, you know, so much. But anyways, so he's good about it. But so those are late, but I have talked to everybody and they've been so appreciative. But as for classes for March, I won't have a class in March because I just know I can't do it. So my March class is going to be the cow bundle, which is so adorable. So I'll do that in April instead. So make sure if you want to do the cow bundle class in the mail for April, you let me know, and then I can get your name on the list. But I do have also, I'm not going to do guts for March again because, you know, I just know I can't be doing that. But I am going to do goodies like normal. So I'll show you those. I also have a new code. There's some new kits that started today, so I'm excited to show you those. I haven't ordered them yet because they just started. But I have a whole bunch of get well cards that I want to share with you. Oh my gosh, it's been so nice when Jeff brings the mail in. We're waiting for the hospital bills and all that stuff to come in, so it's nice when he hands me a stack of mail and it's get well cards instead of bills. So anyway, so I want to share those with you. So that's what I'm going to do today really quick, and then I'm going to go because I'm glad this isn't smell-o-vision, because I've just been doing like sponge baths. But now that he took this off, because I can unwrap it, you know, if I'm just at home, I can take this wrap off and then just have this sling on. But he says I can get a shower. I'm like, oh my gosh. So that will be so good. But oh my gosh, I wanted to scratch this so bad because it was just so wrapped up, so tight. And so yeah, it was so nice when they unwrapped that. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the camera. So give me a second while I get adjusted. So close your eyes just for a minute. This is gonna be not as good as normal, but anyway. All right, so here is my March code, and so if you are placing an order, and you're not ordering $150 before tax and shipping, which is totally easy to do, make sure you use this code here, and then that helps me do the goodies. I'm used to saying goodies and guts, but this month it'll just be the goodies. And when you order $75 before tax and shipping, you earn goodies. And the goodies this month are the really cute Sweet Thoughts, Memories, and More card pack. And this is a value of $10. And these are so fun. So they're cards. There's some little, I guess, sticker kind of things, but it's really cute. And so that is your goodies for the month of March. And then, all right, so let me flip this here. I'm trying to like make this not be so crazy. All right, so we have 2 new kits. So I believe we're getting 2 new kits every month. And the first one, and these started today, which is March the 8th. So Frog and Friends kit. So look how stinking cute this is, whether young or old, I think. So this is the item number. It's $12. And look at that. It makes these really fun little, there's a shark. Oh, I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. There's a shark, there's a frog, and there's a fish. Is it just those 3? I think so. But isn't that fun? So I don't know. I need to look at it. I think it's like you catch. It looks like, I don't think you squeeze it because I'm sure it's paper. But I think it's how you catch it, right? Like you go like this, and then you want that shark to catch whatever he's catching, and then the worm will go into the fish's mouth, the fly into the frog's mouth. So it looks like they're just you know, kind of going like this. But I love this. It looks so cute. So I'm going to get some of those, even though I don't have little kids, just because it looks so fun, and they might be fun to make alternative when I can actually do that. But anyways, and then we have the Your Day to Shine kit. So if you are new to my channel, I'm off in the chat. I am watching the live premiere with you at the same time. So if you have any questions, just ask them in the chat there, off to the side. If you're watching the replay, you can just leave comments down below. But look how pretty this one is. So I need to get these ordered for sure. So again, this is the item number, and this one is 14. And it looks like it makes 9, maybe 9 cards. I'm sure there was more information, but I was lucky that I at least got that much done. All right, so let's get to these fun whatchamacallit cards. Okay, so I unwrap my arm so I can see it. Don't look at my orange fingers. But, oh, because look at that. Doesn't it just look horrible? Oh my gosh. So anyway, so I'm just going to kind of leave that lay there so I can pull these over. But this is probably good for me, right? All right, so look at this cute one. And this one is from Jamie, but look how adorable that is. Oh my gosh. So I don't know where these came from, but they're super cute. I love the little glitter and stuff on there. So I'm not going to open them because they all have a cute little get well. Oh, that finger looks horrible. They have a they all have a cute little message in there, so I'm just gonna not open them. But I love I love that. All right, so that was from Jamie. This one is from, oh my gosh. Oh, this is from Rita. And she might even be watching. So I love this with the strawberries, and I love that embellishment, like that focal point. And she did it as the you know, this little fold. I did this fold forever ago, and then somebody redid it and called it book fold or something. But anyways, but super cute. I wish I'd have kept some of that strawberry paper because it's adorable. So thank you. All right, let's see. And then we have, hang on, I know I'm being so slow. All right, oh, so this is from Francis. Oh my gosh, look at that. I need to do this card because I have that die and I have this, but I don't think I ever actually used the flowers in that die. But look how cute it is. I'm going to hide that thumb because that just looks horrible. All right. I love that. So thank you. All right. And then we have, this is from Ruth. I love this one, and I still have this stamp set. So thank you so much. And a few of you used that new greeting that has a long. But what's funny is I still have this, but this is even the right arm, right? That's the left. So that's exactly what I feel like. And my fingernails probably look just as bad, but I love that. And then she used that really cool background there. And I think this is the one I just got. If it's that big one, it's on a big thing. But anyways, so I love that. And I love how she actually stamped on the ribbon. So thank you, Ruth. All right, and hopefully I put them all here and I'm not missing any. I'm hoping I'm not missing any. And we haven't got the mail today, so. All right, so this one is from Judy. Look at that cute little bunny. Oh my gosh, I love that. And she did, like, it looks like a no-line bunny, right? That's what it looks like. It looks like she just drew that bunny. So I love that. So again, that was Judy. All right. This one is, hang on a minute. This one is April. And see, she used a speedy recovery too. So maybe Stampin' Up knew I was going to hurt myself. All right. So I love that. And this is that awesome, oh my gosh, Wishes kit. I just love this. This is so cool. And I love how she made it into a get well card. So thank you so much, April. All right. This one is, hold on a minute. This is Phyllis. I love that. And she even used that, oh, my crinkle ribbon. I think it was crinkle ribbon. But I love that. And even here, this is like really cool. So she used her, looks like she used her Stampin' Blends. Good girl. Love it. Very, very fun. All right, let's see. And I have so many emails, and I have so many texts, and I have so many comments on my YouTube channel too that I really need to respond to. So please forgive me. Usually I'm right on top of it, right? Like I answer you right away, and that's not the case now. So I will reach out to you as soon as I can. All right, and this is from Joanne. Look how pretty that is. I love this. And then she's got that scallop going on there. And I love how she just used the die and just put it on there. Like how simple and beautiful. And the bling on there. I love it. I wonder if I have that die. Because that's a pretty cool one. I want to say it goes with if I'm not mistaken, does it go with a mask? I'm not for sure. All right, and this one is from Rhonda, and she's out here. She's a neighbor out here by me, and I just love how this one turned out. And she used that die right there to make it a window, and then you can see the flowers in there. So see those really, really pretty flowers, and they're like 3D. They're so pretty, and they look so real. I love that. So anyways. So that one's from Rhonda. So thank you so much. And my sweet friend Colleen. So she did a calendar. So it's one of those stand-up ones. I love it. And I'm hoping I'll see Colleen. Oh, she's staying in Mexico. So it doesn't, I don't think she's going to Houston. All right. So luckily this didn't happen and mess up our Mexico trip. All right, and is this the last one? Hold on a minute. Oh, gosh, gravy. Good gravy. Good gravy. Yeah. And then this one is from Natalie, and she is my DDM with Stampin' Up. And look how cute. She sent me a little get well card with that cute little mouse. So I love that she did that. I mean, she's a busy girl, and for her to even like realize that this happened to me, that just shows, you know, how great a company Stampin' Up is, right? All right, so let me say see you later. Hold on. Ugh. See you later, alligator. So I took my thing off so I could use that arm. Oh, so yeah, so don't look too close at the hair. I am going to go get a shower. I can hardly wait. But I need to, well, first I need to finish this video and get it uploaded so that it'll be good for today. So hopefully it's not going to be late. And so if you need anything, if there's anything that you are like, oh my gosh, I need to know like right now, please text me because I do get those right away where the emails, I'm not always here sitting at the computer. And then even like Messenger on Facebook, it had me do something the other day. I'm like, what the heck is that all about? So, yeah, phone is always the best way to reach me if you need something like pronto, right? If you can't wait. If it's just something that, you know, doesn't need to know right away, then you certainly can email me, and I'll get to you as soon as I can. But so hopefully this weekend will go good, and I will see you Monday no matter what I'm doing. I don't know if I'll be stamping, to be honest, but I have missed our chats. I have missed our visits, but you are making me feel so good and so loved with all the messages and the cards. So anyways, I will stop blabbing. Have a great weekend, and I will see you Monday for whatever reason. And it'll be 3 o'clock. Arizona time, same channel. So have a great day, everyone, and I'll talk to you later. All right. Bye for now.